Hi everyone. In my term project, I designed an alarmed feeding machine for pets. It can be useful when you are not at home and want to feed the cat at certain times. So here is how it works. I have a cylindrical box here with subsections, four subsections, and a cover which just covers all the subsections except one of them. When the alarm rings, you set it with the board. The cover will turn 60 degrees with the help of the servo, and a new subsection will open. Also, the other subsections will be hide, and the pet will be free to eat its meal. I also have a buzzer which just rings when the alarm goes off to indicate the pet that the meal is ready. So now I go to the FPGA board. In the FPGA board with this switch, I start a timer that counts increase as you see. This switch enables me to set alarm using this button. This button goes up, and with these three switches I stored the value that is shown here. So for example, the first one is stored at 6 right now. I go to 10 and open the next switch, setting the next alarm, and the other one at 12. So I have 6, 10 and 12. Now I close my machine. And start the timer. I will expect it to turn, open a new subsection at 6, 10 and 12. So now I stop the counter. As you see, it opened a new subsection every time, and if the times are more apart than this, then it can be useful. Thank you.